Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to go over week 6 for your Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. If you look at week 6, Monday, Tuesday, you're going to see the gas pedals, what we're going to work on today. If you open that up, you're going to see something that looks like this. We're going to work on the gas pedal and on shape. We're going to work on what's called a threaded mount. And then Wednesday, I'm going to give them another catch-up day. Normal slides here. Here's the agenda. Show basic sharing and reading, Q&A about the doorstop, use it or don't use it depending on whatever you want, gas pedal demo, and then gas pedal assignment, so nothing really new there. The two terms that we're really focusing on this time are sweep and offset new plane. So this allows them obviously to make new planes within different areas that are not traditional. So that's kind of something you might want to go over a little bit. Again, Q&A. And then I did kind of take what Bill took originally, again, just kind of piggybacking on what he designed here, focusing and making a connection through engineering. So in this case, we're working on mechanical engineering. I define what mechanical engineering is, and then I directly relate it to what we're working with in this case is sweep and making a custom plane. So this just kind of shows where real engineers might actually use this in CAD, how and why we even worry about sweep, what the purpose is, and the application. So just give some examples and showed some examples there. And then in this one, I go through and this person shows a pretty good example of using multiple angles and multiple planes within those angles just to create a new sketch, a new work plane, and why it's even important and why they'd ever want to use it. The next thing is basically a walkthrough video on how a gas pedal works, why it's even important, what it even looks like, what the function is, how it reacts. Just a quick little video. Make sure you play it at 2x speed with no audio because it is kind of lengthy. But it's good video, good just informational kind of thing. I added this slide in again. I've been kind of reiterating, and Bill mentioned even when we were in the TLN, maybe cropping this using some kind of window capture or something like that. But I've been playing this video and focusing on the specific features that we're working on in that exact topic. So for example, topic 16, sweep, you're going to go in here and you'll see sweep, and sweep will show up showing, she'll show you how the sweep, or show the kids how the sweep would work. And then I go through and actually demo what the pedal looks like. The other thing we're working on this time that I didn't put in the vocab or anything like that is the appearance. So you can change colors and all. The kids love that stuff, just to make it customized. And then they do it on their own, and that's pretty straightforward for Monday. If I go back here, and you'll see obviously the video's already posted, the walkthrough as well as the submission. And then if I go back to week 16, again, Wednesday, or 6, I should say, I wish 16. Topic 17, just a checklist, just tells them, go ahead and work on previous stuff, the pedal. If you're done with that, work on other objects. And again, it just says that right here. Today is a catch-up day. If you go to Friday, Friday is going to be the threaded mount. Finally figured out how to make threads. It's not pretty, but it does function, and it works the way we want it to as far as aesthetics, I guess. So it is pretty, but it's the process isn't pretty, I'll say that. So basic sharing and greeting like we've done before, use it or don't. The features that we're focusing on this time are called a helix within. It's a feature within Onshape, as well as threads. Threads do not exist inside of Onshape. We have to customize using a helix and a sweep basically to, fake threads, I guess, is for lack of a better word or explanation. So the helix creates the path. We create basically a isosceles triangle and sweep that triangle along that helix to create an illusion of a thread. And in the video, I show you guys how to do that. So Q&A, again, just on whatever the gas pedal, in this case, the last assignment. Again, making that connection. I don't define it again, so now that the kids know what mechanical engineering is, you'll see mechanical engineering, obviously, is what we're working on here, and what a helix is, why we even use it, what it looks like, and in this case, it's just to simulate a thread that is wrapped around a screw. I also talk about what the heck a threaded mount even is and where it would be used in the real world. So today, obviously, we're doing what this is called a threaded mount. These are on camera mounts. They're on, they use them in GoPros. Basically, wherever you want something to be mounted and sturdy is where they would use this threaded mount. So I just kind of made it related. They love GoPros and stuff like that. So I figured, yep, that's what we're doing. We're literally building this mount here. So it looks like this. You're going to go over the demo. And again, the video is here for showing you how to do it in non-shape and the kids, obviously. And then the walkthrough, and then the submission folder, Q&A, and then that. So I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, that should be it. Let me make sure. Yeah, the checklist is already in here. Make sure you don't copy that. I tend to do that on accident when I do Mrs. M's POE. So just make sure that that's not there. And I will put this video in here as soon as I'm done recording it. Thanks, guys.